Welcome, doctors. Let's be honest, how many of you spent more time last week wrestling with scheduling software or chasing down insurance verifications than actually seeing your patients? Your inbox is stacked, patients are calling, forms are multiplying, and somehow, there are still 5 chart notes from yesterday haunting your screen. But it's become the new normal. Here's the thing, you don't have to do it all anymore. Virtual medical assistants, real, trained remote professionals, are stepping in to handle the chaos behind the scenes. And no, we're not talking about some glitchy chatbot or random overseas call center. These are skilled admin pros who work inside your systems, scheduling appointments, confirming insurance, sending reminders, logging visit notes, tracking claims, and making your life 1,000 times easier. Take Dr. Smith, for example. He told a colleague, "I'm spending more time on paperwork than on patients." His colleague, Dr. Joe, replied, "Been there." We brought in a virtual medical assistant, and everything changed. Scheduling, billing, follow-ups, it's all off our plate. An actual person, trained, works inside our EHR, and even catches denied claims. Our no-show rate dropped 35% in 2 months. That's the power of having a real human assistant, without the full-time overhead. These VMAs work evenings, weekends, lunch hours. And they handle everything from appointment reschedules and post-visit check-ins to clean claim submissions and billing follow-ups. The result? Smoother workflows, fewer denials, and more time to breathe. Practices using VMAs are reporting up to a 40% drop in no-shows, faster reimbursements, better patient communication, and hundreds of admin hours saved every month. But beyond the metrics, here's what really matters. Your staff finally gets to focus on care, not chaos. And you finally get to practice medicine the way it was meant to be. So if the paperwork is piling up and your team's stretched thin, it might be time to call in reinforcements. Just a trained, reliable virtual medical assistant who keeps your clinic running, so you can keep your patients healthy. Thanks for tuning in, doctors.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.